Alright, back with more Ratchet and Clank. Woo-cha! So today we're actually going to the Megacorp games so that we can get some money because we are in desperate need of bolts. We've got 6,000 right now. We were just here! Fucking roundabout way. Who drives this shit? You expect me to pay for this shit? Okay, yes, very nice view. So we're going to be taking on some of the Megacorp arena challenges. Words. How do they work? I think I know by now. Whoop. But things are getting ridiculously expensive, and there's something that is going to be ridiculously expensive. I know we said we were going to deal with the protopet invasion, but those people are fine. Perfectly fine, right? Yeah, they'll be fine. I did put off doing these for a while, but there's kind of a reason. Match, time change. Alright, so don't take a single hit. Let's do that. Let's see if this can cheat it. Kind of decided I'm probably not going to do the races. It's not too good at them, especially like on level ones. Let's work on our lava gun too. Shield is doing its work. Oh, lava gun. You are so much better in the sequel. Your upgrade doesn't just completely suck. I've currently got something in front of my TV right now, so I can't tell how many rounds there are. Hey, you, burn. We made it.
And the prize goes to Ratchet and the metal
Okay,
guy.
there we go. Much better. Hazard cage match, time challenge, mega cube battle. Oh, that's decent. What to the hazard cage
Time
match?
for a cage match.
Why do they have these guys show up only to fucking Jesus? Apparently it's so that they can get a cheap hit in. Now we know. Oh, these hazards are going to be or detrimental. Oh, maybe not. Take out them spiders.
Oh, look at him go.
Well, we're doing this because I need money, and it's going to be a story thing that needs money soon, a ton of money. And while there is a way to get some nice bolts in one of the plans we have unlocked, it's tedious as hell. It's the same thing as the desert. Oh, I'm out of ammo. I didn't even notice. Come get my sheep. Attack the sheep. Yeah! That's what you get. That was it? Really? Woo. Look at those 2D sprites that are just going crazy. I forgot to buy ammo. The plasma coil is one we definitely want. The bouncer again. Time challenge. 90 enemies, huh?
Oh, look at him go!
Rapid fire weapons are probably the best for this. Until we get to this point. That was nice. Doing alright. I'm gonna go for some spread experience. There we go. At this point, our armor and our health are decent for this. So we're probably not going to end up dying. But for the time challenge, of course, time is the enemy. Fuck you. There we go. Now for the Megapede battle. Use only the wrench. Oh, that's gonna be a fun one. The Megapede. Woo! I'm gonna need to shoot that. So, you shoot a piece of him off, it becomes an enemy. Floats around, oops. Dropping bombs and stuff. Boom! Suck it. That's a nice healthy payout from that. Wrench. Kill Megapede in 3 minutes. I believe I just did that. Alright. Can't even use the shield charger. Alright. Whoops. And the wrench ninja. This should prove no problem. And we got the maximum damage too, which isn't showing up in our items for some reason. 6 rounds of this. It's doable. We're also not limited to being stuck in place when you throw on that in the first game. Whoops. How are you guys doing? Like, really? Drop a comment or something. I'd really love to see that. From anybody watching this. Oh, fuck you. So when you put a thing on YouTube, you've been doing it for 4 fucking years or so, and you get like so little responses. It feels like you're just shouting into a crowd and nobody's answering. It just helps to know, somebody's listening. I mean, one of the reasons I'm doing this is because I kind of still want to. These assholes. Fear my jump strikes. One of the reasons I'm doing this is I kind of still want to, actually become a YouTube kind of person. I mean, I'm probably never going to get famous enough where I can live off of it. But it'd be nice, a couple hundred views a video. 3-digit subscriber count? Oh, those are the dreams. Lancer in 60 seconds, kill Megapede, and the Impossible Challenge. That is a decent amount of money. That's gonna take a while though. We'll do all the others first. Only the Lancer. Oh, well, it is time to do it in shotgun. So, oh my god, I just realized I can hear my PS3. Really hard to understand. Oh, hello, enemies. Thank you. Oh, it was. Okay. That's not too bad. Megapede and the impossible. Megapede in 3 minutes. The problem is I'm just very timid and I don't want to end up being something like that's great or something. I just only get famous because of something big and funny or something. Good dad. 3 minutes for this? Really? Wow, that was nothing. So I'm really kind of just not putting my videos out there or anything. I mean, really, I should. I would barely even know where to. So the impossible challenge. It's the only one left. Not as impossible as it seems. It's a bit intimidating, but it can be done, of course. It's 60 rounds. You fight the spider boss twice, the Megapede once. Changes from regular to cage match every 10 rounds. Really, it's more about keeping yourself alive. But the shield, the mini turret glove, and the synthenoids make it a lot easier. And 200, and I can get both of those, which I would really love. So, I'm gonna ramble on while I do this, and whether or not I end up, putting the whole thing or editing it down, we'll see. Still, the impossible challenge. Doo-doo. So, what the... Done! Got a skill point for that, and 200,000 bolts. New outfit for Ratchet. Now it's 60,000. Alright. Goodbye. Sweet. Snow Dude. Look at us, we're Snow Dude. Oh yeah. How cool. And win the impossible challenge. Does it say how much? 11 of 30. One more. Oh, well, I do have to go back to the ship to do that anyways. So, let's buy our new weapons. 284,000. Very nice. And then we will head off to... Oh yeah, help stop the invasion. Although technically I need to go to the other place first. And then the invasion, and then back to... We'll fucking see. There's a bit of back and forth. Why didn't I use that? Much better. So I'm an idiot. I'm sure you've noticed this. The bouncer. The plasma coil. Oh man, the plasma coil is awesome. It's like a weapon that's only thing is its shock mod. I mean, like, all it does is shock mod stuff. It'll zap any enemies near it. And the bouncer. We can put that over the mini nuke for now. And stick with our standbys. Hoosha! Zoop! Zoop! Did that not have health in it? Man, I tell you, this game's getting weird. I'm not sure if it's the game. I'm not sure if it's my PS3. I really just need to get this thing done as soon as possible. So, we will. Onward to our next destination. After filling up on everything. Not to have a bomb gun. Ooh-cha. So, I'll see you guys next time with more Ratchet and Clank. And yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff. Yes, I'm starting to say that now. I just really want attention. See you guys then. Goodbye.